Hi guys, Sophs here. Just a little editing note before starting this entire video. After compilation of after probably a week or so after recording this particular video, I decided to postpone the series due to, being Christmas, and then going to be running around for my birthday, which is within about a month of each other. So for temporarily, Pokemon unboxings series is temporarily postponed, but I will be bringing back once I have so many videos sorted, and I may be upping them from once a week to 2 a week. So I will let you all know in another real talk or an update at the end of this year what's happening, or later on in 2020. But enjoy this video. Hi guys, Sophs here, back again with another video on my channel. So today we're going to talk about, we're going to bring back an old series which is called Real Talk. Now, I did the series back in the day because I really want to talk to you guys about important topics, series, and what I'm currently am doing, and I decided to bring it back for the next 3 videos, and we're going to talk about 3 separate topics. 2 may be the same, but this one is a little bit different. So as you all know, I have been posting Pokemon card unboxing videos for most of this year, which I have been so proud of myself, and then we came to a halt. Now, I bought a lot of Pokemon unboxings just so I can keep on part with it, and it's always going to get posted on Wednesdays at 12 p.m. But because the last video I've recorded has already been posted, I'm out of video ideas. Now, this series of course will be continuing, but at this moment in time it's currently pause. So it's not cancelled, it's just pause until I can not only get more Pokemon card items, but I'm going to go through a lot of money trying to get it all. And especially at this time of year when it starts to become Christmas time and everything, it just becomes very incredibly stressful. So I did a new goal for me this year, which is very good. I'm limiting myself to how much I can buy. So there's going to be games, and then it's going to be self-help books, and if my family want to get me money or iTunes card, that would be great, because if it's iTunes, goes to the music album reviews and covers, and not only that, is going towards money towards a brand new computer, because the one I am currently using needs to go. So that's one of the other reasons too. But I wanted to talk to you guys about, about for orders and how much that it would realistically cost me here in Australia. So the first box, the first order that I will be getting, which is on the tag team tins, the hidden fates tins, pardon me, and the power partnership tins, but some of these are actually brand new. Now, some of this cost about $45 and some cost $38. Now, with all of these in one, it's going to cost me $407.90. You're going to think, that's not much, but for me, it is a lot of money as well. So order 2, now order 2 will be just about, the collector's boxes, theme, like the Pokemon things about Kangaskhan GX, Blastoise GX, the Charizard one that I'm getting as well, and then the Pokemon and Eevee GX box. So they are just some of them I will be getting, and this will cost me $385.75. You're probably thinking, oh, that's not bad. It takes me a while to really save all of these, because I do get $270 a week, so some of it does go to, saving cash, and then the $70 goes into, things that I pay monthly. So continuing on, so order 3, which is just going to be the theme decks. So you have all of the new ones, and then you have one which has been out for a while, which is Let's Play, which is Pikachu and Eevee. Then you have the Unfined Minds. I will just chuck some things on screen now in case if I don't pronounce things properly. So I'm going to get those two theme decks, and then there is Colossix. I know this word. I just get mental blanks. Ellipse, or whatever it's called. Theme deck, which is the top one, which, like I said, I bought photos on the particular series that I'm going to be getting, and that all will cost me $131.90, which is not bad, but this is the slight much shortened order. And then comes my order 4, which is going to be with some Elite Trainer boxes. Now, depending on where I get these, they are a bit more expensive, like around $80, or depending on where you get them from. So, for an example, if I got 4 of them, it would be $320, but that would be in store. And then all in total, and to ship it out to me, it'll be $338.95, which you're probably thinking, oh, that's a pretty good pricing. And the majority of all of these are on Zip Pop Culture, which is actually one of my favorite stores and one of my dangerous stores to go shopping, just like EB Games is here in Australia. And there's also one more electronic box I'm looking for at the moment, which is the Hidden Fates, which, as I did saw when I went out to go and fix a little situation with one of my DVDs I bought 2 years ago, I did go to EB Games and I just saw that this was a price around $100, which is a bit steep, but that is just how the pricing is here in Australia. So as you can see, that I have a lot of saving up to do, and not only that, there's Christmas, there's getting my Herbalife products, there's also trying to start saving up for my laptop, which is going to probably take me months and months and months to really save up, and just a lot of things that I really truly want to do. But I'm solving it. Does not mean that the series is over. It's just going to be temporarily postponed, but it will definitely be back. So I will let you know in a brand new video once I have everything ready. I will even, put photos up as proof of how many videos I have done, and we will go from there. I don't want to overdo this video because I just want to keep it nice and simple. So until further notice, Pokemon unboxing cards are postponed until I can get enough videos that I know I'm going to be genuinely happy to post, which is always a good thing. And on that note, if you want to watch amazing content of Pokemon cards unboxings, I will chuck Leon Hart's channel down below, including under the listed leaf, which is Endo, who's actually is from here in Adelaide, just like me. I'll link their channels down below for you guys. Go check them out. Leon Hart lives in the US, so we actually get to see a massive preview of what possibly the collection is going to be. And Ando, who is awesome, who's, like I said, is from Adelaide like me. Go check him out. His channel is pretty interesting and really funny at the same time. They both are. So I'll chuck them all down in the links down below. And on that note, go check out all of my social medias, like my Facebook, my Instagram and Twitter. I'm on them all the time, and including our website, which I will be updating. And also go more down below where you can all check out my YouTube series links I post so far on this channel, and you will probably have annotations popping up very soon, which will be on my Pokemon cards unboxing playlist, and I'll also chuck in the first very video of my Pokemon unboxing card series. So this is not goodbye. It's going to continue because I just did a lot of research and I just have to wait, save up, and follow. But thank you all for joining me. Enjoy my end card, and I'll catch you all for the next Real Talk in probably next Wednesday. But I love you all, and I'll see you all soon.